You have been trapped here for 10 minutes. You must find the
Oh,
key
shit.
and survive.
Where the fuck are you? Oh, no. Oh, no. Wait, I can survive this. Oh, yeah. What's the power of friendship? Oh my god, oh my god, I jumped it! Hell yeah, I made it! Which drink? Okay, I'm gonna pick, this wine glass one. I'm drinking a wine glass. I like wine. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god, it's a nuclear... Oh my god, there's water! Guys, run! Oh, come on. Nah. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna kill you. Wait, where am I? To be continued. Wait, I'm still alive? Nope.